Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a prose. Its name is Quality, written by John Galsworthy. All of you take your English textbook for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope that you all are ready for the class. You have to take the page number 71. Quality, written by John Galsworth. Quality is the story of a German shoemaker settled in London. His name was Mr. Gessler. He was a perfect artist. He used to make a boots of narrators' fathers also. Gessler lived with the elder brother. The shop had no signboard. He made boots only on advanced order, and they never failed to fit. His boots lasted long, so the narrator did not need to go to his shop very often. Take the page number 72 and 73. The customer going to Gessler sat on a wood chair and waited. It was like going to some church. The narrator wanted a pair of Russian leather boots. Gessler showed his piece of gold brown leather. He promised to deliver the boots after a fortnight. It seemed used to dream of boots. Once the narrator complained that his last pair of boots creaked. Gessler was shocked to hear it. He agreed to repair or replace them. Now the page number 74 and 75. On another occasion, the narrator entered Gessler's shop. He was wearing a pair of shoes bought at large firm. Gessler told that those were not his boots. He put a finger on the place where the left boot was not comfortable. He spoke bitterly that big firms made poor quality boots. He also spoke about the hard time of his trade. His own business was going down. The narrator was so deeply moved that he ordered many pairs. For 2 years he could not go to Gessler's shop. When he came to the Gessler's shop next time, he came to know that Gessler's elder brother had died. He again ordered for many pair of shoes. Now take the page number 76, 77 and 78. The narrator was so deeply moved that he ordered many pairs. For 2 years he could not go to Gessler's shop. When he came to Gessler's shop next time, he come to know that Gessler's elder brother had died. He again ordered for a many pair of boots. He was also upset to see Mr. Gessler, who seemed to have grown older by 15 years. And he again ordered for many pair of boots. Soon he went abroad. When he returned his country after a year, he went to Gessler's shop to thank him for a new boot which he had parceled to him. But he found that name of the shop was gone. It had been taken over by some Englishman. The poor fellow died slow starvation. His business failed for he took a long time to supply the order. He never made any advertisement. He used the best leather. He never gave himself time to eat. He was a character who made really good boots. Students, this is very easy story you have to read, and question answers will be given you in the next class. Thank you, children.